Okay, so most creators fail not because they lack talent, but because the project files are a complete disaster. Okay, so welcome to day 15 of my 30-day writing challenge on AI animation. So in today writing, I will show you my minimal 2x2 project system using Hopeless Steve from framework Cartoon Hero Course as an example. Okay, so if your father looks like a battlefield like mine, this will save your sanity. Okay, so you can see my father like right here. Okay, so you see a lot of files and many things spreading around. Okay, so I will show you my maybe this one canvas. So you see I have this video exported and image and videos spreading everywhere, and even the image here, and you see many things. Okay, so I have the final product here, but you see there's it's just spreading like crazy. Okay, so you see, so I have come up with this one. Is 2x2 project management template. So you can see 2x2 is only one photo has only two photos here. So you see the whole one here is only have the projects and templates, and projects here there's only two, done and working. Okay, so you see here, this is the templates, and this is the project mini, and this is just two photos here, admin and work. Okay, so if you have any project like I am doing Hopeless Steve cartoon for framework course, and I just copy here, I copy this one here, and I have this one in here. This is done and working. So I'm doing with Hopeless Steve pilot. So you see this one is another project here. So I, for example, test Hopeless Steve. Okay, so you can see right away it has the same structure as this one. Okay, admin and work. Okay, so you see admin and work, right? So this is a blank folder. All I have to do is I copy the things that I want to arrange here. So admin is the brain, and work folder is like hands and the body to do the work. Okay, so I copy the prompt sheet and pilot script in the admin, and work I have here is the image and sound from the lessons. Okay, so you see, so when I done with the maybe the first version, and just copy it right here, the video. Okay, so the Hopeless Step pilot, I can this is on this the whole thing here is a brain. So I have made writing here. So this is the course from framer. Okay, so I'm doing with the pilot episode here, and to keep things organized, I make this one template. Okay, so I will write extract about this, what and why and how. Okay, so I will talk about it in this video so that you can have a video version. So what is the minimal 2x2 project system? It's a lightweight project management method built on two layers. Layer 1, project life. Working is your active projects, done is your completed projects. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, two layers, done and working. Okay, see, so this one I am working. Okay, your active projects and done your completed project. Okay, working and done. Okay, so layer 2 inside each project. Okay, so you see admin, you see I have one here. Okay, inside each project you see admin and work. Okay, so admin is the brain, so work is the hands. Okay, so no unnecessary folders, no clutter, no chaos, just two boxes inside two boxes. Okay, so you see, if you have any project, for example, this is your name of the cartoon here. Okay, hopefully Steve or anything, so you just copy it and you have here. You see, very easy to organize. Okay, so just two boxes inside two boxes. So why this system works so well? Because it solves number one real problem solo creators face. You don't need more organization, you need less friction. The minimal 2x2 works because it separates thinking, admin from execution, work. Okay, so you see, it separates admin and work. So for example, so you see, I have here projects and done and working. Okay, so working here is hopefully Steve. I can delete this one here, is just a test version, right? Okay, delete here. Okay, so hopefully Steve pilot has admin and work. Okay, so it separates thinking, the admin, from the execution. Okay, so the thinking and the execution, right? So it reduces decision fatigue. It keeps every asset reachable in 2 clicks. Okay, just 2 clicks and you have it. It scales from small videos to large animation projects. It's perfect for people working alone or with AI tools. You get structure without the burden. How? Okay, so this is a step-by-step setup. Okay, so this is a really simple hopefully Steve. Okay, so inside your main directory you keep here projects, working and done, and templates here, right? Okay, so I have here the main one here. So the project and working and done. Okay, templates here I have the project mini. Okay, so whenever you start a project, copy the template and place it into projects working. Okay, for hopeless Steve, your structure looks like this: hopeless Steve and admin and work. Okay, so whenever you have the projects, you just copy and have the project working, hopeless Steve pilot here, right? Okay, so simple, clean and fast. So inside admin, your project brain. Okay, admin, your project brain here. Okay, so I have the prompt sheet and pilot script. So this is where you keep decisions, not files. So for hopeless Steve, your admin contains of this one PDF. Okay, I got it from the framer inside the course material version 2. Okay, so that's all you need: your core prompt sheet, your pilot script, any notes, guides, or thinking material. Okay, so the thing is, when you are planning, you open admin. When you are creating, you close admin. Okay, so inside work, your execution zone, everything related to production goes here. So for hopeless Steve, you currently have work, image and sound. Okay, so work, image and sound, right? Okay, so it's all about image and sound effects. Okay, so this is perfect because only production files go here. But here's the power: you can expand this folder by naturally as your project grows. Okay, so how to expand it? So how to expand work when your project becomes bigger? If you start adding more assets, for example, AI renders, A-roll footage, B-roll recordings export, just create subfolder only when needed. For example, work, maybe I can create images, sounds, video, A-roll, B-roll, AI output, edit, export, final. Okay, so I just command shift N. Okay, and I say AI output, something like that. Okay, and I can even, if I want to name it like a folder, like for in order, so I just name it in number like this. Okay, so you see. Okay, so that's it. This is it. Okay, so you can change it the way you like. You can customize it. Okay, so no rules except if it's something you used to build, it lives in work, only the folder work here, and no stress, no overthinking, right? Okay, so when the project is finished, the moment hopeless step is done, just drag the entire folder here, the project's done. Okay, so if I have it done and I drag it over here, for example, I did it. Okay, so I hold this stiff and I wish maybe done. Okay, something like that. Okay, so but it's still working, so I do it right here. Okay, you hold the command and then you move it here. Okay, so working. So see, so you preserve your structure, your files stay clean, your working area remains uncluttered, you stay fast and focused. Okay, so why creators using AI love this system? Because the minimal 2x2 matches the real workflow of AI assisted production. Scripts change fast and prompts iterate frequently, export multiply, AI outputs pile up and reference files explode. You switch project daily, so a complex folder system collapses under that pressure. This one stays solid. Okay, so final reminder: you don't need a complicated system to make professional work. You just need one that reduces friction, keep your brain clear, works with your habit, grows with your skill, and help you sleep consistently. Minimal 2x2 does exactly that. Okay, so you want the template folder to copy on Mac. Okay, just comment below. Okay, so thank you. So that you can do the template. So if you want to have all the template that I built, okay, so just comment template below. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I really hope that you will have this 2x2 system work for you. Okay, so thank you so much, and keep reading what I post daily. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and don't forget to join Cartoon Hero course by Framer. It's an amazing course. Okay, so bye bye, see you.